students lose marks in application writing due to small mistakes. In this video, I explain five common mistakes that students make in exams and how to correct them. This video is useful for class 4 to class 10 students. So you just watch this video till the end. Okay? Mistake number one, that is wrong subject line. Wrong subject line means many students write the subject line wrongly or skip it. But without a subject, an application looks incomplete. Suppose you are writing a leave application. Then write the subject line application for sick leave. Not too long sentence. Okay? Then mistakes number 2. Long and difficult sentences. Students think long sentences give more marks. This is wrong. Always write short and simple sentences. Like I was suffering from fever, so I could not attend school. That's enough. Okay? Then come to mistake number 3. Informal words. Informal word means students use words like please give me leave. This is wrong. You should write I kindly request you to grant me leave. Polite language gives a better impression. Okay? Then mistake number 4. Wrong closing. Wrong closing means many students write only thank you and stop. But you should write thanking you, yours obediently, then name, class, date. Closing is very important. Okay? Then mistake number 5. No practice. No practice means students watch videos but do not practice. Without writing practice, marks will never improve. So pause this video and write one application neatly in your notebook. Okay? In the next video, I will teach you how to get full marks in application writing. Thank you for watching.